Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can hide team members in your Slack workspace really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to Slack, log into your account, and in the first step, select the workspace you would like to edit and customize here in the top left corner. So let me go with that workspace here. After that, pay attention to that list of team members here under direct messages on the left panel. And all you will need to do, guys, is simply right-click on the given username and select hide and the username here. After that, you will see that window here. So you may read through that notification here to learn more about hiding the team member. And once you're ready to confirm, simply click on hide this person here to hide the given team member. As you can see, the member has disappeared from that list of team members I could message you in the left panel. So to make that or to reverse that decision, simply click on this username here. This message is hidden, and after that select unhide this person from that window, and there you go. Now the given user has been unhidden. You may also send a message to that person so that he or she may appear again here in that list of direct messaging. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.